Kani gade ka Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki Khubor baman kasni.
Kani gade ka lempung Jingai, bat ka lempung ban pasutho yaki Nongpathai Khubor, Halor ka Jingai Tika yaki khalong khna banyada na ka jingpang yang persen. Ya ka balatem kom ka measles and rubella vaccination campaign, ka bala penlong henne kasngi ka khanyo trek mentau nailor. Haka kamera Jingïalang jong ka Asian Confluence ka bran hapo lai amkhra Shillong. Hagani ke Jingïalang la pensai hai ki Nongpathai Khubor, Halor ka thong jong ka sarkar preng ban pendo jan yau khnyang yang persen da ka ba ai Tika yaki khalong khna ki ba nado ka khandai bnai karta shaneng hado ki ba po ka chan snem karta bat ka jilla Meghalaya ka dei ka jilla ka ba arpsan na ki wei pat hakari India barakwei ban sedang ye kani ke Jingai Tika ka ban sedang nado ka arpsau trek mentau nailor 8000 khat phra ka thong hi jong sarkar preng kalong ban ai pendap ye ka Jingai Tika hagani ka sien ka ban sedang kalong kumno ban pendap hadu khandai pusan na ka sispa ha ka jingdan ki khalong khna ha ka jilla ki ba padang khandai bnai shaneng hadu ka khat san snem karta hagani ka jing pasutho pajba ye ka MR Vaccination lawan banyasa me ka jing sempang jongki da Dr. M Shah na ka UNICEF nangta ka State Immunization Officer jong ka jilla ikong I Paswen kati alam na ka UNICEF ka balakran Halor ka benta jong ki Nongpathai Khubor Halor ka ni ka kam but Dr. Roy na ka World Health Organization.
There is a high political commitment. India is also committed that action to eliminate measles by 2020. So government of India is also committed. So political ownership is also there. And this is a big campaign. So in the initial also, Madam Paswan told that there will be close to 41 crore children will be immunized across India. So currently also we have already crossed more than 10 crore children in the almost 23-24 states. So it's a phase-wise campaign. So phase 1, some of the states will cover phase 2. So our northeast states are covering in the phase 3. So almost 3 states already completed, 3 states are ongoing. And rest 2 states will be also covered within very soon.
The diseases which are prevented by the vaccines, like polio, smallpox, which we have eradicated by use of these vaccines, the other diseases, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, polio, measles and rubella, there is no cure, there is no treatment anywhere in the world. So these diseases have to be prevented by the use of the vaccines. Okay, there is no treatment not only in Meghalaya or India, but anywhere in the world against measles and rubella. So now, how do the vaccines work? So to understand how the vaccines work, we need to understand how infections work, how people get disease. Our body has an immune system, right? So once we are exposed to certain viruses or bacteria, there are some diseases that produce a lifelong immunity, right? And measles is thought to be one of them, so is rubella. Now, when these viruses, they enter our body, they overcome the immune system. They overpower the immune system and they multiply. They rapidly multiply, they produce more and more of their numbers and they overpower the immune system and that produces disease. As long as the immune system is managing the infection, your body will not suffer. It is like criminals. Normally our police are able to tackle them. But if the police is not able to tackle them, then the criminals get the upper hand. And society at large is in danger. Okay? So like that, how the vaccines work, these are nothing but the same viruses or bacteria which are incapacitated. They cannot produce disease, but they will help the immune system to recognize and produce antibodies to protect it. Okay? It's just like, supposing you are alone at home. There's a very short story I want to share with you, and it explains how the immune system works, right? So for those, we had to again go back to those schools. We have these pamphlets, information brochures for those parents. So once they know that what is the importance of this dose, and for that we rely heavily on your support, so that you come and you build a very healthy and a positive atmosphere about this campaign, because only then in future our children's lives will be protected from measles and rubella. The duration is going to be different because we are all going to start together, but the smaller districts with a smaller target, naturally they will be finishing first, and the larger districts like East Khasi Hills and West Garo Hills, probably the campaign will have to go on for a little longer time. And not only that, like this campaign will go on till we touch 95%. Because till we do that, our children remain at risk.